Exclusive. This is iPhone 15 Pro, thinner bezel, thicker cup design, no lightning port and also more. Coming to the latest news, a leaked 3D Cad model for a very latest iPhone 15 has taken the tech world by storm, which has been leaked recently. This 3D render is said to be based on a Cad model provided to 9to5 Mac by reliable cache maker and 3D artist renderer Jalbo. The rendered Cad models clearly show the significant chance that will be coming to the Apple's upcoming flagship phones. It is expected that this Cad model phone can be launched by the end of this year. Rendered Cad models are mainly provided by Apple to factories in Asia, so that case can be ready before the phone is launched, and to ensure that the case is available when the device is launched. Cad files like the one this render are given by Apple to factories in Asia to prepare phone case ahead of launch. This is to ensure that cases are available when the device launches. The specific Cad here comes from a factory out of China that is seemingly the first to get these files. Historically, Cad files are accurate to the final device in terms of both dimensions and design, as having inaccurate ones would be costly to case designers and factories. The most noticeable change is the switch from the Lightning port to USB-C, which would mark a major departure from Apple's proprietary connector that has been used on iPhone and most Apple accessories since 2012. This could be due to the pressure from the European Union, which has been pushing for a common charging standard for all smartphones and devices. Unfortunately, this might be limited to be cables appropriate for Apple's MFI program for data transfer speed and charging speed. Another change is the curvature of the edge, both on the glass and on the metal frames. The glass curves slightly around the edge, creating more seamless transition to the frame. The frame itself is also more curved than before, resembling the design of the 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros and new M2 MacBook Air. This could make the phone more comfortable to hold and less prone to accidental touches. The camera bump of the back is also thicker than before, indicating that Apple may have upgraded the camera system with new sensor or lenses. The camera layout remains similar to the iPhone 14 Pro, with 3 lenses and a LiDAR scanner arranged in a square module. The camera lenses are thicker in this generation, likely hinting at a larger image sensor. On the side of the phone, we can see some changes of the volume rocker and the mute switch. The volume rockers look like capacitive buttons instead of physical ones, which has been rumored. Given the renders, we cannot say this for certain, but it seems very likely. The mute switch also looks redesigned, with smaller and rounder shapes similar to that of the capacitive buttons. The renders don't show any details about the resolution of the iPhone 15 Pro, but we accept to be similar to the iPhone 14 Pro. The body of the device is a few millimeters smaller with a thinner bezel, so it's likely we will see the same 6.1-inch display in a slightly smaller body. The dynamic island is still present and looks to be about the same size of the iPhone 14 Pro. The renders are based on the early Cad model and may not reflect the all spec of the Apple's final design. However, they do give us an idea of what we can expect from one of this year's most anticipated smartphone and all of the important changes, like a more comfortable frame and USB-C. So this was today's latest news about iPhone 15, and it's time to end this video. Coming later with another latest tech news as soon as possible, and to get every update, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Peace.